Welcome to the TMC Newsroom. My name is Rich Tehrani. Thanks for watching us today. This week we are in Boston, Massachusetts, interviewing a number of telecom and technology companies in the New England area. On our program today is Colin King. He's the Vice President of ProSpeed.net. Colin, how are you?
Doing well. Thanks for having me.
So tell us about ProSpeed.
ProSpeed's a small CLIC based out of Boston, Mass. We're a small carrier delivering voice and IP to small to medium-sized businesses as well as large businesses. And we have a lot of ancillary services that we deliver to those companies, throughout the New England region as well as nationally too. We have some connectivity that gives us a national presence also.
Great. So give us an idea of some of those services.
Some of those services would include anywhere from SDSL, ADSL, T1, bonded T1s, Metro Ethernet connectivity. We have point-to-point fiber connectivity. We have hosted IPPX, SIP trunking. We deliver full data center solutions as well, anywhere from a half cab to a full cab to cage space. We deliver large amounts of high-capacity bandwidth ports to different various backbones, MPLS. So, and then we have other ancillary services such as remote data backup, remote IT services, voice and data cabling, web hosting. So we're kind of a one-stop shop solution provider in this Boston area.
Now you said you have relationships, national relationships. That means that if I, let's say, have an office here in Boston, but I have workers throughout the country, yes, I could work with you to...
Absolutely, yeah. We could connect your offices to an MPLS network. We could deliver, let's say, a hosted cloud telephony service, tying all your offices together. We could provide you co-location for your backup and your server. We could remotely manage your IT also. So, a lot of these services are being pushed into the cloud, which gives an advantage to a company like us because we can use other various networks to get to you.
Now, from a competitive standpoint, how does a company like yours compete with other players in the market?
Well, we have a lot of value-added services that makes us stand out above the big carriers. We're very nimble and quick. For instance, we have no contracts on most of our services, which is really a trend that's happening. We're proud of our no contract status, and I think people see that where let's just talk about IP connectivity. It's dropping daily as well as voice, so we see that as an advantage. And then all the other different value-added services that we provide, which makes it easy for the client to deal with us. So from billing, provisioning, price point, service, and the ability to have no contract. People see a lot of value in that, so we're making some good headway in that against the competitors.
It's great.
Yeah, it is. It is excellent.
So what's next for the company?
Next for the companies, we're going to focus more on trying to create a cloud suite, pretty much, where what we call cloud space, your office in the cloud, as well as cube space, which is your small cube in the cloud. So we envision a virtual world where workers no longer may have to go to a particular office park, and they can work like they were in that office park. So we can deploy over various networks, ubiquitous solution where everybody's using the same phone system, collaborating with each other, just kind of managing their own office in the cloud. And it's going to be an affordable solution that's easy to deploy and manage.
Great. Well, thanks for being on the program today.
No problem.
This was great.
Thank you.